As the leaves start to fall, a rake or broom is a great way to tidy up the garden and get a workout at the same time. But for large areas or awkward corners, a powered leaf blower is quicker and easier. They're available as electric corded, cordless and petrol, but for sheer ease and a greener option, cordless leaf blowers are a good choice. Before you buy, think about the size of your garden. If you've got a big garden with lots of leaves, look for a blower with a battery with a long run time, or check recharging time to make sure you can get the job done in one go. Lithium-ion batteries vary in size of voltage and ampere, which determine the power and runtime of a battery on a single charge. Most brands also sell batteries separately, so if you think you need it, investing in a second battery might be useful. Otherwise, a fast charger can help you get clearing again quickly. What you're blowing can also determine the best blower for you. The nozzle that attaches to the blower tube is shaped to suit different jobs. For general blowing across large areas like lawns, a round open nozzle that produces an even spread of air is ideal. If you need to target leaves in corners or around pots, a flat nozzle end increases the airspeed of the leaf blower and gives a more focused jet. For damp leaves stuck to paving or in borders, you'll need a blower with a high power airspeed. Given in either miles per second or kilometres per hour, this is how fast the air shoots out of the blower, and the higher the speed, the more powerful the blast. And for really stubborn leaves, a nozzle with a metal or ridged end will help you scrape off leaves the blower can't shift on its own. Not all blowers come with a choice of nozzle, so check what you get in the box before you buy. Use a gentler setting on gravel paths and around delicate plants in borders, and then you can ramp it up on the lawn when you need more of a boost. Using a blower on a low setting also reduces noise power and power consumption, and can actually give you up to double the runtime before the battery needs recharging. Weight and comfort are also important, particularly if you're working for a while. Always check the weight of the blower with the battery attached before you buy if you can, noting where it sits on the blower as well as its size. And if you're concerned, look for a blower with a carry strap that will help distribute the weight more evenly. A cushioned grip on the handle will provide extra comfort, and telescopic tubes that adjust in length are great for different height users. And if you're blowing for a long period of time, a cruise control, which lets you set and maintain the blower at a certain speed, is much less tiring than constantly holding the trigger down. When you finish blowing, think about where you're going to store your blower, and if storage space is limited, look for telescopic tubes or nozzles and tubes that come apart easily. A hanging hook is also useful. And lastly, check what you get for your money. Many blowers come with the battery and charger included, but check before you buy and whether the blower is part of a brand's wider cordless system, where a battery and charger fit all the tools in their range. This will save money if you buy more tools in the future. And always think of wildlife before you use a leaf blower. They can blast away insect pollinators and disturb or distress small animals like birds or bats. Check for wildlife before starting any work, and when you clear, blow leaves into piles in a corner or against a hedge or wall. Provide homes for hedgehogs and bumblebees and a food source for frogs, toads and newts.